Itagat kokeny chitab Kalenjin kimi ketesetai kimito ak Tonyo Agnes Sagala ne inendet ko cancer survivor anan kikosobe miondo noton nebo seriat nebo kinet komi ketesetai kekose akobo oret noton nekibun kotkote konyor sobet anan kosob inendet kou ye kikere kemite tugul eng kibagenge eng nguno ko kangotomo kebe kamung'et Agnes ko kataiarorwech akobo support noton ni treatment noton nemite ko kakmwae kele ngiwendi irutochini chito iwe eng ng'omnotet ak iwe komatibiteschi miondo chito
anan ibiteschi kochut kererit kwa direct
noto
amu chute man metitab kimugul met ko rahisi kwamwa tuguk haraka amu ng'wonindo komi barak kikoikoit noto bo shortcut so komi ng'alekab attempted suicide ko kiatyem choto konyil 3
ile kaikai awa
kiatyem kabisa overdose ak kirugutkei ak rotwet. I'm sorry to say that but it is happening. Not because kiaiwei lakini agere kakongwanit mising kakunyalso lagok. Yani ngapkoit ibune ngwonindo ikere kunyalildos. Kere mama neng'ung ikere akot chotupche mi chi tugul chu. So sometimes ile ngotorchi amungchi. Yeah. So suicidal mind ko very close yo mi ngwonindo mising. Ako sine sauti nebunu taban no ikose kelen kakile mami kerichot. So akere ane ale kakitake akot kikawe kipkaa amu labda ndimo bune cheuen cheuchu. But chemo ko the best treatment. Lakini nyigis mache kimnatet, mache kebai chito ako matinye chito kora kamuget, masikupenda kwake. Maingian amitwogik ngiro amitwogik kou kerichek. Then after that chemo awe radio ko kebel. Rahisi noto kidogo. One problem kidogo ilale kabisa. This side of my nini komi alamok cheune naona kama hii black. Ko beletab radio ko malen mat direct. Raise. Ako koristo. Unaona ageat fridge kole. Unaona that thing unasikianga. Hiyo konoto nesunguka nenen for 25 minutes. Kongobata inyo so kinibo kila Monday to Friday for I did 32 sessions. So karibu arawa hii. Ako mi chemo. So chemo ko every 2 weeks. So sessions chikya ko so 3 months chemo, 1.5 months radiotherapy. But kiamukte radiotherapy, the only problem ko kilal yu mising kot kochun banyek. Halafu naelewa shingo you need to so ikishakauka yele nile kongeta koich. You understand? But please negeriche ageribe usioshi hapo sikuze nini kuna special cream chikindeni. So I managed. Daktari bora alinisaidia sana. Then atare that part kotoko mi chu alak chu. So in between the 4 chemos onyoru I'm also survivor nebo mental health. Sindio? Kiwa metit kapsa. To a level I was admitted kwa Frank Jengas Hospital. Otkoit wakati nakakelech family there is only one thing. To jumpstart the brain anan omete kuyo kokere like nikae statue forever or jumpstart the brain nge jumpstartan it can come on or off. So options are
kai sis kityo
katar 1 month mami progress kwa hospitali tu niko tu ninasikiza everything that everyone is saying na hii mdomo ifunguki. The only thing that can come out ni machozi. And especially God bless the nurses that are cold because there are nurses who are not called. Makukur chitugul. So chekakukur komi akinye. Orire tuwai. Lakini cho makukur ko ngalali. Like any ordinary person. So there is this incident that happened, and hiyo ndio ni kama iliniamusha because kumbe I had died anyway. So when the family was approached kelechi to jumpstart the brain, koesha my family, my immediate family and my parents. Kolgai gerib kunta gegere. So they did not jumpstart the brain. When I go kwastima mara moja. So either I come on or I die. Yeah. So when they accepted to be like that, kogigisub tuguk chikimwa next of kin. And they left me to be in the hospital. Hapa Jiromolen. So one day, kimisikia ni wagonjwa ni wengi. I was just there, and I think, you know, counselors keep on coming. So I think nilikuwa nimeanza kufikiria niko mahali sifai. So I wanted kutamka kitu lakini haitoki. So one of the nurse came, saya chakula, and that is my enemy. Sipendi chakula. So he was a man. He had gloves on. Na alikuwa na wipe. Unajua vitanda hospitali venye iko velvet. So si mtu akikufa inapanguzwa. I saw him doing the same. Saya chakula ikafika jumi ni mtu niko na nguvu kidogo. Akaita mwenzake wasaidiane nilishwe. Alitumia hiyo
nikaitunda gloves, okay?
Yeah, nikauma kabisa. I didn't allow. Ngawa aliniforce hapa hivi. So wakati nimekataa kufungua mdomo akanirusha hivi na akamwambia mwenzake, peleka strong room. I came to ask that strong room baadaye. Uko ni mortuary. Yeah. Yes. So I want to applaud the nurses. Choko kukur kuboishe Jehova. Kongetun magugur kosik. Amu kasi nemi ni mwito, si kazi tu ya pesa. So when I heard of that strong room, cold room, not strong room, cold room. Then I said, I thought I was taken there to cool down. Because you know, when they force me to eat, I sweat. I thought I was to be taken to cool down. But somebody said, no, your cold room ni sazile mtu amemaliza safari. And that is when my mind started coming up. Kumba upon the process of dying, and I said no. Alone, I said no. And I started asking God to heal me. Not anybody. Nilimwambia tu Mungu niponye. Kama naweza pelekwa mortuary when I'm alive, no God. Heal me now. So thank God for a counselor who came in. The counselor who gitindoi ikisurvive wa breast cancer. She was kind enough to show me the scar. Akulecho ngot kian ginyain lakwani. Just look at me. How do I look? Nikamwambia, when you are coming in, I saw a very smart lady. After I undressed, I was like, but I mean, niko better. Hayake ilikuwa imekatwa yote. And I said, talk to me now. I listened to her. That's why kanya ane amu chi negisarwo testimony nebo chi negisarwo in TV. Ak chi negicham goborwoge saya no ligisobe. And when the people came, I was not still talking, but I could. When I'm given food now, I even take it alone. So after like another 2 weeks, daktari akasema kusawa. We went back. I was number one to ask Bore, niko ready for the last 2 chemos. Nilifumilia, it was not unaelewa.
Yes.
You know, you go back to zero, you start.
Then you jump start again.
You know, and nika graduate hapo. Little did I know that kumbe chemo tu ikiisha, you come back. You come back completely, like hiyo nausea, hiyo kukosa usingizi inaisha. Yes. So nikakuwa strong. Nikasema sasa I'm on the process of healing. Songs are now coming in. And every song that I'm a songwriter. I sing in a choir. Abwata legera big chu Berur Melodies.
Yes.
Nawapenda sana because when I thought of writing a song, ko kiasirtie na nilen kai yaiwo kokeny umeniponya. Na sijapimwa nijulikane
Nimepona.
Nikasema ile uzito wa ugonjwa yote umenitoa kwa sop. And I started writing songs. That's how my healing came up.
Amen.
So when I went back to the doctor after the radio and the chemo, korba nyingine gele hormonal therapy. So active treatment go 3 years. 2010, 2011, 2012 yote. So 2013 I began easy hormonal treatment. Kukericho nemesani kila siku a small tablet.
Yes.
Mine was tamoxifen for 5 years. You miss it, you redo it again. So the family, we sat together, we put alarms everywhere, put one of the sachet iko na 30, so iko na 15. So unaweka ingine kwa handbag, indage gari, indage kapkasi, indage reserve, wherever uta, so that you, na niko nimeweka every 9 o'clock PM kulala. Hata watoto wanasema mama meza dawa. And you see now things changed. I started seeing my hair growing. Nyapamba bado inapanguzwa. Na kucha nikaanza kuona inaanza kujileta. I believed that now I'm healing. And that's how I came back. So after 5 years, the company, I want to thank my company Kenya Pipeline. Sichasumbuka finances ya kutibiwa. As much as healing should be from, not about the money. If it was about the money, why did I attempt suicide? Yet I knew Kenya Pipeline were able to. Yeah. So it affects even the being. It has, yani inakumaliza. Kama kichwa ikikuma peke yake mpaka utaki watu karibu. How about this one? So nikamaliza hiyo madawa, nikapelekwa India. By the company, everything was paid by the company. How for re-evaluation of what has been done in Kenya, so that ngototom go get another treatment. But I was praying, God, let it be my testimony.
Amen.
Like after these tests, tukul amukiba weche uchi ya wendi yuginya, mammogram, radio, iso, all those tests. Wow! After 12 days of checks and everything. I saw the doctor smiling.
Wow.
Wakaniambia, Agnes, you want to thank your God. Because we've heard tumekusikia all the time, oh my God. You love God, right? Au ni waindi. Sasa Mungu wako amekuponya like. There is no trace of cancer.
Amen.
What you have ni scars. What I've just showed you.
Yes.
And if it was not the records from Kenya,
they would say there was no
cancer. Yeah. Wow. And the scar and everything. They greeted me. They say now quite a number of minerals have been affected. So I was put on building the minerals. Kama ni bones, I still have the same problem up to today. But kikiko na gerichek che build me kama ni bones, calcium.
Calcium, yes.
Zinc, hizo vitu zote ina build ndio ngozi irudi venye iko. Kuna tu hizo now si ndawa kabisa pase ni chakula, supplements actually. Yes. So kile cha kutibaishia for 1 year, then don't take any other medication. Just see your doctor on your frequency check I came back, so my doctors just mentioned Professor Wasike is my friend. Unatembea na daktari mpaka anakuwa rafiki yako.
Kweli.
Alikuwa ananiambia hii kitu lazima nito. Inashika mtoto mdogo. I'll remove this thing. Na ametembea na mimi mpaka even yesterday I saw another doctor. He referred to me concerning the lymphoedema. And something will be done. Very soon I'll be okay.
Amen.
So like my teeth, I love using so that when people see Agnes smiling.
Yes.
Half of my nini will break. Nusu ya.
Hey.
So madaktari wametengeneza. Most of them zikatoboka. You know, meno ni mifupa.
Yeah.
Nilikuanga na shida na mifupa like unaweza enda mpaka unasikia kuvunjika, like you can fall because you are not stable. But today I can do most of the things, only that this one is making me uncomfortable. Lakini everything has been recovered. I can dance, can go to the farm. Ivo, I can do everything.
Thank God. Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God. So kikideclare nin kale cancer free ko isop ko awiya.
2018.
2018.
The total survival ni from 2010 to now, which is 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
The
baby was 3 years. He's now 19.
Amen.
Turning 19.
That's good. So kit ne mamache autye kiyekitesetai Agnes. Kiyai ne nguno kong'ete yutok po 2018 ko ne nekonin kakaikaet ak kokonin yani ko iityi biik kou yeityini eng nguno ne kokonin komong'unet.
Berur Melodies. Berur Melodies, Agnes Sagala, napenda kuimba. So ngemwa Berur Melodies ko ngokerin chito nekimyoni kole mi Mungu man. Kuona noto kaikait. Anytime I feel like I want to remember my story, naweka wimbo, I dance. I look at myself in the mirror, akayan man ole mi Mungu. Kianam groups, kitinye support groups. Sijakuwa ile atiamukio so I need to lock myself. Mamecho konachi kolo myoni. Cancer sikununua kwa duka. And I'll speak it everywhere. Where people want me to say, I will say it. Ngawe chama, ami chama chebo reserve, ami chebo town. Mwae kitu ya kwanza. Yoba biman ke cancer. That is my opening speech. Tunaomba na wamama, I tell them, let's do this. Mnaniona mimi niko hivi. Kyoto yani atinye groups cheu Faraja, nemi MTRH, I am member. Atinye Mizizi, I am member. Atinye Nekile Barbara Foundation. Kopa a friend. I meet the same group. We go together. She's doing a wonderful job, the lady. Alipoteza mtoto wake through cancer. So Barbara is the late a child. So we do that to remember her. And especially this October month.
Yes.
Those groups kotoreti kena chito nebune mionwogik. I mean winwek. Amu cancer go very expensive to treat. Singo mache chito ite chito kotko chito incapacitated, mache wheelchair, mache pampers, mache ne. Komi tukun kidogo chikinemu chiki in our own way.
Yes.
Tom genyoru toretet kobun maybe big chechang. Lakini that's what I do. I do personal patient management. Take my time after work, visit a patient in my own way. Kuchota chawakasa wale inanitia nguvu. As I speak about my testimony, you know, I know kale you have to shame the devil. So every year when I say Agnes is healed, God makes a tick.
Yes.
So that this thing will not come back, so that the devil will not laugh at me. So I have to say it every year that I am healed.
Amen.
And there is these frequencies I go to the hospital. Initially it was monthly, tukaenda 3 monthly, tukaenda 6 monthly. Now it is once a year. It means I'm good.
Progressing, yes.
So every year I go once. Or when something, of course, homa ya kawaida, I have to go very fast because of the immunity that is very low. That is the kuna hizo side effects long term na zile zinaisha. So kama long term ni umeona na hiyo immunity. I look health, lakini ungekuwa na homa nitaenda nayo. My immunity is still very low, but kianet kengalega fruit therapy, vegetable therapy, na kuchezesha akili kwa music, na kazi yenye napenda. Kiasoman after cancer. 2009, before diagnosis, initially my area of specialization was food production, hotelier, a waitress. But when I joined the Kenya Pipeline, mambo ya housekeeping and whatever, Nikachoka at some point and I wanted to see what other people are doing. So I chose ngaleka health, safety and environment. Nikataka kuwa firefighter.
Yes.
I don't look like one, right? But I am. I'm a firefighter.
Wow.
By profession. So I did my certificate, and that is what prompted me now as a safety assistant. And I got transferred to Eldoret on the same. Now from housekeeping to a firefighter one. And I didn't stop there. That was a certificate. In 2020, I've been declared cancer-free, so I don't want to say, oh, sijui niko mgonjwa. I joined aviation college for 3 years. Kafanya fire engineering. Graduated.
Wow.
I'm a certified fire engineer.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
So,
that's the spirit.
Yes.
Fighting spirit.
Sikuchoka, niliencouragewa, and I have very good people in my section.
Yes.
My department, especially when I was in Nairobi. They really cheered me. Kina Mbembe, kina Alogo, kina Zenga, wakubwa wangu wote. Like, you can do it. So nobody was like, mucha mnyani, unaweza. That's the spirit.
Amen.
I still do the work. As much as kuna limitation kwa mkono.
Yes.
But the knowledge is there. When the students come for induction, training, internship,
you are there. Yes.
Inspection of trucks, my area of speciality. Inspection is something you use your eyes. So I don't need my left arm to handle that. Just look at it and put a tick or not a tick. So I love my colleagues because they support me, they understand. And especially we have what you call emergency response team. I'm there. I have done first aid. So it means that when we go for, maybe when there is fire or when there is a problem, I'm there and I'm useful. I can operate the equipments using my hand. So I am not incapacitated anymore.
Yes.
I am strong.
Amen.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Kipendi kitugate ngaliot nebo let a take home advice chebo koityi biik chotok chekase chekerech nguno.
Yeah. Amache keboisie nguni serikali ko kikokon ngalekab SHA. Kikokon ngalekab arawet neuni. Most of hospitals chebo serikali ak private ketieme kechikil tuguchoto free. Kotakan biik advantage kabisa akoba sipitali. Don't ignore something that uni kikaikose. Kanama kipkoskoshat ile let me ignore. Small signs choko me ignore. Oba sipitali, omu lagok kwok, make it a family therapy. Ngoik nekingolole amu akot ngot kenam amu kakile 9 women, 1 woman in 10 kotinye agenge cancer. So iboru kole
ndakikele
komis komeche kesupport that one person so that when that person comes in konyor kimnatet netinye, because I didn't have the strength then before abun the experience. But I want to thank God again amu ndakimabun experience tamatinye courage sai. If there is no tear today, it means I'm healed.
Amen.
Like I can encourage that patient. Unaenda kumwongelesha mgonjwa na unalia. What are you telling the person? You're going to die. So amacha later kityo ketoret biik chebune ane ka specialize en ngalekab breast. Lakini we cancer chechang, colon, ne, skin, blood. Yekikurso. Sana blood donation. Mchango yama komuchi chito kolipan ketoret. Amu sana huyo kibwane missing ya osirto chito. Meche amu ngalekab cancer ko amu ole chimcheitoge haraka. Ko ngap koskiben chito amu maimuch kotare nini, lakini kora kotil biik SHA. Akot nguni akere ale SHA ndio amu kuna some tests
chekali
amu kelechin repeaten like mara 3.
Amu yabwati wendi akelechin we test of 50,000 olin.
Yes.
Test agenge.
And you know unawanda utafanya.
Aya kerenjin nguno kolen anyorundoi ano much kotakomeche siko ongalal agenge kotai icher so namba chekuket anan ole imuchi konyorunden.
Mu konyorunden no Agnes Sagala 0722 261 405. Nambait noton nemi akot contact chebo Berur Melodies ko choto chaboishe mising.
Noto kaiketi namba
0722 261 405.
Noto. Kongoi mising kakemwa kongoi eng boroindo noto neketaban asikobit inganyech met akikonech ingangwech banda noto kekonu baornatet noleng banda ngung tugul akoi kasobengung. Amangu ale chi nekakere akakoker akina kosich kamangunet kou noto. Mi kamangunet chitab Kalenjin komite kamangunet kou yekaokas ako yekaoker. Ara nyokere Agnes kemite tuwai okere ole tilil, okere ole mitei kochamegei ako kikosop inendet eng kanisa. Ko ungutiet agenge ko nakakomwaun chikechikilin itete chikechikilin amu ndakimoib kakwautiet nebo kochikilgei komioni kwendi akot eng orit komengen ko wi chikechikilin sishekenyor asinyoru kasabet. Ko kakeit let nebo tetutienyo nebo tililindo rani kainenyu ko Chesankaro nebo Arap Sirma akoi wikit nenyone ketuye kora sikobit kotai kengalal akobo tililindo noto nekimuchi kenyorune chametabgei. Kotestai kere Kass TV kimnatet night. Kongoi mising.